There are many ways the construction industry is evolving, with digital technology and tools becoming more widely accepted and accessible as people start to see the benefits. Technologies like data collection apps are helping bring assets, people, processes and job sites onto one platform, reducing downtime, optimising asset utilisation and efficiency, and allowing greater visibility into operations. Ultimately, the quality of your construction process is dictated by the quality of your construction data. Data informs smart decisions, improves efficiency, and provides accurate projections going forward. Data collection apps are helping construction companies of all sizes to gather data faster, more accurately, and of higher quality, all directly from the job site. Integrating this type of technology into your current process is a straightforward thing to do. Do some research to see which apps are needed and within what budget before making a decision. Purchasing or subscribing to a data collection app is a small upfront investment that can offer both immediate and, of course, long-term benefits. Implementing data apps into your business allows you to analyze what is going on day-to-day operationally. This enables you to create time within your system process and eventually automate workflows and improve productivity, health and safety, and profitability in the long run. Having project data visible in your business ensures you have the important information necessary to help you avoid costly mistakes. As you collect data across multiple builds, you'll also be able to improve overall processes, creating greater efficiency in time. Data collection apps can facilitate everything from daily equipment, inspections, and near-miss reporting, through to providing comprehensive job safety analysis. They can also provide project contractors better project management strategies and procurement methods, and help when making the right hiring decisions for each project. So, how do you get your hands on this vital information? Well, data collection apps and cloud-based storage systems are easy to find and use. You can customize a package to make your every need. All you really need is a smartphone, a desktop or tablet, and of course, internet connectivity. A lot of today's apps also offer online functionality. That means they can be used on sites where no connectivity is available. Many of the software solutions on the market cater specifically to business owners, project managers, contractors and subcontractors, since they are likely to manually record their own progress and of course manage information across multiple projects and for many different clients. Data collection apps connect workflow and teams while collecting data at every stage of the construction, including design, planning, building and operation. Data collection apps enable all specialty contractors to work together on shared files, creating the on-the-go plans and keeping everyone up to date in real time on the single platform. This increases project visibility and collaboration with all members across all project phases. The key is in finding the tech tools that can help you to reach your business goals. Introducing a data collection app is a good place to start, with a relatively small upfront cost with great potential return on investment. There are real benefits to modernizing your current processes. Increased productivity, transparent collaboration, and streamlined workflow are all part of why data collection apps are changing the game within the construction sector. A great place to start is by speaking with your team to see if they've had experience working with other businesses or contractors with tools that have been working well for what they've been doing. Or you could reach out to companies who have a large presence in the contact sector within New Zealand, many of which can be found on the righttool.co.nz website under Tools and Managing My Business.